It is a very, very difficult task to balance on one hand the desire to focus and to be able to deliver something that adds value in a short period of time, but on the other hand, balance a wide range of players, attract them to want to participate and contribute. And that's a really tough balance. Dave Meyer was the chair of the technical steering committee for the first year of OpenDaylight's existence. He did a phenomenal job and was very, very well respected by the community. From that, he then ran for chairman of the board. And for the last year, he has served as the chairman of the board of the OpenDaylight project. And I think, again, we have so much to thank Dave Meyer for having that steady hand and being someone who is so broadly respected. One of the marks of a great leader is that they lead because they believe in what there is, not for themselves. And so what we've seen with Dave Myers, first with the TSC and now the chair, after a year of doing this, he wanted to let other leaders emerge. And he will continue to participate actively as a board member in OpenDaylight, but he wanted to pass the baton to somebody. And so we had a great election, and I want to announce the winners of this election. Dave Ward has been the president, has been doing a great job, and won re-election. Dave Ward is a CTO at Cisco. I'm pleased to announce that Chris Wright, a CTO at Red Hat, was elected as the new chair of the board, and Subi Krishnamurti, a CTO at Dell, was elected as the secretary of the board of directors. And so please join me in congratulating these folks. If you're interested a little bit into governance of an open source project, we're trying to make the governance of the project as open and transparent. And so there was a request for some of the developers to be able to understand better the role of the board, to talk to some board members, to have a chance to ask some questions. And so what we have done is set up tonight from 5:45 to 7 p.m. a OpenDaylight Board of Directors town hall meeting. This is going to be run really in an open way. It's a forum for you to come in and ask questions, and if you want to understand what board members do and how the discussions happen, or any other questions that you have, this is really a forum for you to do that. It's the first time we've ever done it, but I hope that it'll be a good one. So those of you interested, please come to that. And so this brings me to the end of the keynote section of this conference. Obviously, we have a great full afternoon full of sessions. I must say, I, for one, I'm so glad to see all of you sitting here. Thank you for taking the time to come to this conference. I know your time is precious. Thank you for taking the time to listen to these keynotes. And I hope that you get a lot out of this conference. Thank you.